During the times when I was more symptomatic, especially in the beginning when I didn't really know what was going on and my anxiety was very high, like I'd get lightheaded, I'd feel like something is off just walking around. I saw these squiggly lines in my vision. It almost looked like there were worms in the sky. Like these squiggly lines that are kind of translucent, and a lot of times there would be these, almost like this fuzz, almost like static. It was weird, it's hard to describe, but it would come and go, and I thought I was going crazy. How's it going, guys? Miguel here from CFS Recovery. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about floaters and visual snow. So floaters and visual snow, these are very common things that people deal with when they're dealing with all the rest of their debilitating, mysterious symptoms that the doctors don't have an answer for. It's very concerning for a lot of people. They feel like they're getting glaucoma, they're going blind, there's something wrong neurologically, and I'm actually gonna talk about one more visual issue that I dealt with that you might be dealing with too, so stick around till the end for that. Now, when I say that this is a very common symptom that most people experience, it's because it is part of the hypersensitive nervous system issue. Granted, as long as you've had your tests and scans done, you've probably seen an eye doctor, or you brought it up and the doctors are saying that it's completely normal, then yes, it is a hypersensitive nervous system issue. I had a lot of this, and it would come and go actually. During the times when I was more symptomatic, especially in the beginning when I didn't really know what was going on and my anxiety was very high, like I'd get lightheaded, I'd feel like something is off just walking around. I saw these squiggly lines in my vision. It almost looked like there were worms in the sky. Like these squiggly lines that are kind of translucent, and a lot of times there would be these, almost like this fuzz, almost like static. It was weird, it's hard to describe, but it would come and go, and I thought I was going crazy. At first, it started happening a little bit. I thought, okay, this is probably gonna go away on its own. This isn't too serious. Doesn't really bother me much, but it started happening more and more frequently. And the visual snow and the floaters, it got to the point where I thought something was wrong with my brain. Further down the road, I figured out, yeah, there was something wrong with my brain, but it was very concerning, the fact that the doctors didn't know what this was. And this especially happened when I was in adjustment periods. When my symptoms would flare up, this would happen more frequently. In fact, it was there almost all the time, especially in times when I was looking at the sky, or even when I closed my eyes, I would see these floaters. In addition to that, I also had this strange sensation of colors flashing, almost like blue and yellow. And actually that visual kind of symptom was also an indicator that, okay, a headache is coming on. And I remember it very vividly. It was on my bottom left of my vision, or my bottom right. Like if a camera was seeing what I'm seeing, it was like down here and down here. And it would be flashing and pulsing. But here's the crazy part, it would pulse with my heartbeat. And I found that to be a little bit concerning because that's not normal. And then I'd start to feel like the side of my head go numb, but you know, those symptoms are for another video. The visual snow kind of tied in with all of that. So what I had to do and what fixed it was actually not even working on the visual snow, because I had tried, you know, rubbing my eyes. I tried wearing shades outside to limit the amount of light, which did help a little bit. I tried like pressing onto my eyes because I'd also feel this eye pressure as well. You know, I had a lot of eye symptoms. Didn't really know what was going on, and it was blurry vision too. Now that I'm talking about this, all these things are starting to come up. It was the visual snow, the floaters, the static, the flashing colors, the eye pain, the eye twitching was very common as well. My eyes would like shift back and forth, as well as the blurry vision. So there was a lot of stuff going on, and you know, your vision, that's kind of like your portal to the world. That is your lens through which you see the world and experience the world. Your sight, your hearing, your taste, your touch, all of these things. And vision is one of the biggest things. And that's why it made it very concerning, was because, you know, it seemed like the whole world was very different. It was a very different experience that I was having. I would also feel like I'm gonna black out sometimes, or like my vision would just go either white or black. So I didn't really trust what was going on, but like I was saying, I didn't try to fix the actual visual issues once I figured out that this was a hypersensitive nervous system issue. Because in the past, I tried to fix it with so many things, eye drops, shades, all of those things, and it didn't work. It didn't make any difference at all. And the thing when I was trying all these different methods of healing, I would get my hopes up and say, okay, this should fix it, this should help it, and then it didn't help it, so I just got more depressed when it didn't work. So once I started fixing one singular problem, these things actually started to go away. Well, not go away immediately, but they started to be drastically reduced, right? So I focused on fixing one single problem. Can you guess what that problem is? If you're on my channel right now and you've watched my other videos and you know what that one singular issue is, comment down below. 5 seconds. Okay. It is the hypersensitive nervous system. That's the one thing I try to fix because that is upstream from all of these different problems. So the main thing that's going on here, it's a problem with the brain. The way your brain is sending signals to the rest of your body and your sensations and how you perceive different stimulus, right? You're feeling these symptoms here, your eyes, like everywhere, mostly neck and below, but you'll have a lot of head symptoms as well. But the main issue is this one small area in your brain. It's your hyperactive amygdala. Well, to keep it simple, it's your hyperactive nervous system. And so once you start working on that and that starts improving, everything else starts to get fixed and starts to improve, including your eyesight. So my advice for people, for anybody within our programs, what our coaches tell them is don't try to fix the eye issues. Don't try to fix the floaters because you're not going to fix that directly. And if you do try to fix it directly, you're really just offering a temporary fix for this issue. But that's not getting to the root cause. So unless you fix that root cause, this is going to be a reoccurring problem that may actually intensify throughout the years. So you want to go to the root problem, and the root problem does not have anything to do with your eyes. It is the hypersensitive nervous system. And so that's what you really have to fix. And I make tons of videos about that. You can check it out over here, the best way to respond to symptoms. If you haven't already watched that video, definitely check that out. But that's essentially how you get rid of the visual snow and the floaters and the weird colors and flashing and all that stuff. That stuff goes away over time. Although it is very concerning for people, just understand that you're not the only one going through this. I went through it, thousands, millions of other people go through it as well. But this is just a short chapter in your life, right? It's a phase of your life where the symptoms are more amplified, but once you fix the nervous system, the symptoms will go away. So there's not much to share in this video. It's actually quite simple, but I just wanted you to know that you're not going crazy. These things do happen. They're very real. Just because it's an issue with the brain does not mean you're not experiencing them. You are experiencing them to the fullest degree, but you can fix this. So I hope this kind of sheds some light on this issue. Most of all, don't worry about it too much. Granted, as long as you've gotten your tests and scans done from the doctors, I can't stress that enough. If everything has come back normal, then this is a hypersensitive nervous system issue. This is a branch off of that. And actually, there's another video I would like you to watch. It's called All Your Symptoms Lead to This. And you can watch that up here. But I hope you got some value out of this video. I hope it just even calmed your anxiety down about these eye issues because, you know, people get really anxious about them. I was too, until I figured out it was actually just part of the bigger issue here. The root cause was the hypersensitive nervous system. So hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you got some value out of it. Comment down below if you deal with this issue or if you've dealt with it in the past and it went away, and maybe share some things that helped you get rid of these eye symptoms. For me, it was actually not, like I said, attacking the eye symptoms directly. It was working on fixing the nervous system that really healed me from the eye issues. So always remember that you are a thriver and you are just one mind shift away from living a life with thriving health. See you in the next video. We're gonna help you get your vision back and make all of these symptoms go away if you apply these principles. Take it easy.